students, good morning everybody. I Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Maharaj Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya Srigonda, District Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune. The syllabus is to be implemented from academic year 220 to 221. SYBSc Botany syllabus is the syllabus included by university choice based credit system syllabus semester 3rd paper 1st taxonomy of angiosperms, and this video lecture is only for educational purpose for SYBSc students. This paper taxonomy of angiosperms is with 2 credit points, that is paper code, course code BO231, BO232 and BO233. These are codes of semester 1st, semester 2nd, BO241, BO242, BO243. These are semester 2nd. Total each paper carry 2 credit points, that is total credit points of SYBSc students is 12. Today we will discuss about general broad outline of Bentham and Hooker system of classification, their merits and demerits. Who was Bentham and Hooker? George Bentham in 1800 to 1884 and Sir Joseph Dalton Hooker 1870 to 1911, two British botanists published their monumental work in Latin language genera Plantarum in 3 volumes. Between 1802 to 1883, they gave the natural system of classification of flowering plants or seed plants. That is, these plants, or they described, they named, they classified flowering plants into 3 volumes. 97,205 species, 7,569 genera and 200 families, but later on 2 families are included, that is the family Fachaceae and family Cyriliaceae. These 2 families gave the separate numbers. They divided the larger genera into subgenera or sections. The term family of the modern taxonomist was named as order, and term order was named as cohort. They classified all seed plants into 3 classes: class dicot, gymnosperms and monocot. In class dicot there are 3 subclasses: polypetally, gamopetally and apetally. The gymnosperms were not divided into classes and subclasses, they divided into families. Then class monocots is divided into direct 7 series, but subclass apetally or monoclamidae, they are divided into 8 series, same as series Curvemri, Daphnes, Curvemri, etc. Class monocots is divided into, not divided into subclasses, but it was divided into 8 series. Thus, all seed plants were divided into 3 classes, 3 subclasses, 21 series, 25 orders, and 202 families. There is 200 plus 2. Later on, order Fachaceae and Cyriliaceae, they are included, but they have given the separate numbers. Class dicot is divided into 3 subclasses, polypetally divided into 3 series. First series Thalamiflorae, first order Ranates, first family Anomaceae, series Disciflorae, series Calyciflorae, subclass Gamopetally divided into series Imperi, Heteromerine, Bicarpellate, subclass Monoclamidae or Apopetally divided into 8 series and 38 families. Here is in orders. This is the drawback of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Then class Gymnosperm is divided into direct families: Nitaceae, Coniferaceae and Cycadaceae. Then class monocots is divided into 7 series: Epigyne, coronary, caricini, nudiflori, apocarpy, and glumaceae. Series apocarpy is the drawback. It is placed firstly. This is the drawback. This is advanced. This is the drawback of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Then, general outline of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Broad outline: plant kingdom is divided into subkingdom, cryptogams and pterogames. Cryptogams are divided into division: Thalophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. Subdivision: algae, fungi, lichen. Class dicot is divided into subclass: Polypetalae, Gamopetalae, and Apetalae. Class Polypetalae is divided into series: Thalamiphlory, Disciplory, Caliciplory. Subclass Gamopetalae is divided into series: Inferior, that is 4 inferior, Heteromere series, Bicarpellate series, that is carpel sarco. Then subclass Monoclamidae, Allopetalae divided into 8 series: Curvembryi, multiovate, aquatic, multiovate, terrestri, microembryi, Daphnes, Achlamydospore, Unisexuales, and Ardens Anemones. Then class Monocot is divided into 7 series: Microspermy, Epigyne, coronary, Calicini, nudiflori, apocarpy, and glumaceae. These are general broad outline of Bentham and Hooker systems of classification. Sir Dalton Hooker is the son of Sir Williamson Hooker, Sir J. William Hooker. He is first director of Botanical Gardens, Kew in London, and Hooker is also director of Botanical Gardens, Kew in London. Sir George Bentham was a well-trained botanist. Then merits and demerits of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. What is the demerits? What is the merits and what is the demerits? First merit. This is the first natural system of classification given by Bentham and Hooker system classification, and it is a stable system, and classification is plant is classified easily. Then second, the system is easy to understand. The system is easy to understand and suitable for all practical purposes. For practical purposes, this system, Bentham and Hooker system, is accepted by Pune University and by Shivaji University and also Indian scientists. In this system, accurate information about all the genera was provided. In this system, genera Mangifera, accurate information, accurate description, accurate classification, accurate nomenclature was given. That is genus Mangifera indica, morphological characters of the plant indica, vegetative characters, habit, habitat, root, stem, leaf, then floral characters, inflorescence for flower, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, seed, fruit. Then floral formula, floral diagram. These characters are accurately informed in this system. Then next 4 merits in this class, in the subclass Polypetalae, introduction of new series placed in between Caliciplory and Thalamiphlory. Thalamiphlory order Ranaceae, family Anunaceae or family Cruciferae or Brassicaceae. Calyx united, example Myrtaceae order, Myrtaceae family, Calyx number Lenticulators. Disciplory, example Groza. These Disciplory order is placed in between Thalamiphlory and Caliciplory. Then in class dicot Ranaceae have been given in primitive form. Then the larger genera have been divided into subgenera and sections. This is the merits of Bentham and Hooker system. Then gymnosperm is placed between dicot and monocot. This is also merits of Bentham and Hooker system. That is gymnosperms are placed in between class dicot and class monocot. This is the important or merits of Bentham and Hooker system, because first in gymnospermy, first family is Nitaceae. Family Nitaceae shows many characters of angiosperms, that is presence of vessels, phloem with campanices, reticular formation of lip, hard stem, vascular bundles are in the sometimes ring. These are characters of angiosperms, and these angiospermic characters of dicot characters are included in the Nitum example, family Nitici. Hence, they place the gymnosperms in between dicot and monocot. Then, monocots are placed after dicot. That is, monocots, primitive monocots are placed after dicots. Monocots are divided into subclasses: class polypetally, gabopetally, or petally. Polypetally. Then petals are fused. Then petals are absent. Petals, calyx are absent. Parent is present. Serially, these are placed in this system. And this is the merit of Bentham and Oakes. In monocot, advanced characters are present. Hence, they place the monocot after dicots. That is in a dicot, primitive characters. Family Anolaceae, family Magnolaceae shows Apocarpus gynoecium, Androecium mini. These are primitive characters. Example: Ramphal Sitaphal, custard apple, mustard apple, Chafa, Michaelia champaka, Magnolia champaka. These are characters. Ranunculus gauriana, Ranunculus, Clematis gauriana, Ranunculus. These are primitive families. They are placed Ram, Sita, Lakshman. These generic names or plants placed first, and then Poha, P-O-H-A, Poha. That is Sudama's Poha. That is monocot, placed advanced characters. Then demerits of Bentham and Oakes system. First demerits: gymnosperms are placed in between dicot and monocot. This is the demerits of Bentham and Oakes system. Then Podostemnaceae is placed close to roselles and Calycidae or Calycipulae. Podostemnaceae is placed closer to roselles of Calycipulae. Then arrangement of monocots is unnatural. Arrangement of monocots is unnatural. Then Orchidaceae and Cytemini are considered primitive. Orchidaceae and Cytemini are considered as primitive, but these two families are advanced families. Orchidaceae and Cytemini. Then Cyperaceae and Gramini is advanced, which is incorrect. Cyperaceae and Gramini family, that is Poaceae family, shows advanced families in Bentham and Oakes system, but this is not correct. This is incorrect. Then Apetally group is away from Polypetally. Apetally group, that is, this is the Apetally group, is away from Polypetally. That is Apetally placed after Gamopetally, and this is correct. This is incorrect or not merits of Bentham and Oakes system. This is the demerits of Bentham and Oakes system. Then Apocarpy should have been placed in the beginning. Apocarpy have been placed in the beginning, and this is not correct. Apocarpy in monocot is placed in the beginning, and this is not correct. This is the demerit of Bentham and Oakes system of classification. Then Cucurbitaceae has united petals. Family Cucurbitaceae, Cucurbita pepo, Cucu means sativa, Kakdi, Bhopla, Lactuca, Arupa, Lactua, Aquatella, Dorca. These families or these plants are placed in dicot, but in this example shows petals are united. Petals are united. Subclass of Gamopetally, but class is dicot. This is the demerits of Bentham and Oakes system of classification. That is National system of classification. Cucurbitaceae is placed for Polypetally. This is not correct because petals are united. Then the origin of angiosperm is not clear. The origin of angiosperm is not clear. If you see origin of angiosperm, cradle of angiosperm, or continental theory of angiosperm, in this system, when you study, it shows that origin of angiosperm is not clear. Then the related families Chenopodiaceae and Caryophyllaceae is kept away from each other. Family Chenopodiaceae, Chenopodium album, family Carophyllaceae. These two families kept away from each other, and this is the demerits of Benthamian ecosystem. And Benthamian ecosystem is a natural system because all characters are included in this system. This is the video lecture for SY BSc students, and this is only for educational purpose. Thank you.